Fire pits are a fantastic way to add instant appeal to any outdoor living space, creating a cozy nook for gatherings or quiet contemplation, but it's a feature that lets you enjoy relaxing in the great outdoors beyond the summer season. With Polycor's easy-to-assemble Granite fire pit kit, you can create an instant, entertaining space in one afternoon. In this video, we will demonstrate how to easily install a Woodbury Gray Granite 48-inch diameter 2-tier fire pit so you can lay it out in the morning and be roasting s'mores by dark. For this project, the fire pit is being installed over an existing granite paver patio, but fire pits can be installed directly on the ground as well. Begin by marking an area approximately 4 foot 6 inch in diameter. In this case, dry lay the first course of blocks and trace the edges onto the paver. The base material of this patio uses a high-density foam panel called Easy Base. That replaces a traditional compacted aggregate-based installation. While being a great labor-saving tool, it should not be in direct contact with open flames. If installing a fire pit on top of paving, verify the base material underneath is non-combustible. Here, a 7-inch grinder and diamond blade is used to cut out the pavers. Cut away the Easy Base, preserving the sand bed below. If installing the fire pit on the ground, dig a hole 6 inches deep and fill with processed gravel or mason sand, compacting until level. Sort through the blocks to choose 16 for the top course that match thickness as closely as possible. As the blocks are cut from natural stone, there will be a slight variation in thickness, which can be accounted for in the first course by adjusting the sand or gravel bed to make the tops level. Lay the first course of block, ensuring they fit tightly together and they are level, followed by the second course of blocks overlapping the joints. Test fit the metal ring to ensure there is clearance and remove. Use landscape adhesive to adhere the top rows of block to the course below. Here, structural bond polyurethane adhesive is used, a super strength foam adhesive that replaces traditional glue, bonding blocks in just 8 minutes. All that's left is to light a fire and enjoy your quality fire pit from Polycor, Hardscapes, and Masonry.